Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this PySpark video series we'll learn how to use when and otherwise function in Spark data. Basically we all have used the conditional statement uh, like if else, okay, in Python also or C++, any coding that you have used conditional statement. How to handle that, that we learn today in Spark, okay, Python. So we have already used in Python also that how to use if and else statement. So it is most likely that, okay, when and otherwise condition. So we'll see in hands-on. Okay, I'll do the hands-on and you can see and you can understand that what is this thing. It's very easy. Okay, it will be clarified after the hands-on session. Okay, so let's go to our workspace. Okay, I have already created one data frame for you guys. Okay, so now how to use the uh, when and otherwise condition here. So it is basically if and else statement. Okay. So yeah, okay, yeah, when you guys are using if and else statement in Python or any other language, so in data frame, how to use the if and else condition, any kind of condition, how to handle. So that we will see here. So basically, I'm taking another data frame variable, storing the new variable after the condition given. Okay. So here dot each column. So first we will choose another column here. So basically what we will do, we will add one new column grade. So where based on the marks we will give the date to the student. Okay. Okay, let's see. Let's do it. Okay, using which column we will add one column grade. Okay. So coming to the statement if condition. When call column, so specify the column will be marks. Okay, when marks will be greater than equal to 90, so then what will be the grade? A. Okay, so based on that we can select multiple conditions. So how we can select? Just we need to use one dot, after that give another condition, one dot give another condition. Okay, so when the marks will be 80 greater than equals to 80, in that case column will be grade will be B. Okay, when it will be 70, the grade will be ABC. Okay, one another condition I'll add. So when it will be greater than 60, then it will be D. Okay. Okay. You can also mention the column name, like mention the column like this as object. Okay. You can specify the column as object. Okay. So uh, this this all are if condition. Okay. If column is greater than equals to 90, then if when we used to use multiple if condition, in that case what we used to do in Python, if and elif, if and elif, then if the condition is this and after then it will be that, elif the condition is this, after that the data will be that. So like this here only when. when condition is this, grade is A, condition is this, grade is B. So like this. Now we need to specify the else condition. If none of the condition is matched, then otherwise grade will be E. Okay. So the condition is given. Okay, we just need to import the call and when function from PySpark function equal function import when and call function. Okay, so everything is done. Now just we need to import. We need to just show it. So let's run it first. So now you can see the code. You can also use the order by function here. Order by grade. Now it can. So Rani got the mark above 90. So her grade is A. Raj not with 80. So his grade is E because greater than equals to 80 who got he or she will be nominated for the B grade. Okay. Rahul it is C for the 70 above 70% mark. Pooja it is T for the above 60%. Alvo it is E for the above 60%. Okay. So like this you can use the when and otherwise function. Okay. So another way we can see. So here taking another data frame variable here dot select function in what copying here the condition. So otherwise it's okay. So for I'm giving the condition as I am not imported any new column with using the with column function. So we can use here alias. Okay, alias you can specify the grade grade. Now we show equal to dot show. Okay, so just run it. Now you will get only the grade column. So for getting all the columns, what we need to do now? Now we need to specify that which column other than grade new, which columns you need it to show. So you can also specify for if we need to print all the columns. Then what we need to do? Just call select star here, close the bracket, close the bracket, comma. Now it can all the data. So just we need to stop it. You can also order by order by grading. Based on the grade, the data has come. You can also use the help function to understand the showing something how to use it on uh, how to do the hands-on using something. Uh, I have already told you multiple times how to do that. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Okay, if you like this video, please do like and share with your friends so that they will get the benefit of this video. Okay, I'm continuously uploading videos on my channel, Cognitive Coders. Please support us. Your support is very much required for us yeah, because we are uploading the videos. It is very much useful for you guys also. Okay, please support us. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching our video. Thank you.